The following will be a guided breathwork session to be more present in life. Presence is the foundation of everything you do, and you need it to really enjoy your life, to be present, to experience the important moments. But you also need presence to focus. You need presence to build a skill and to learn and to be productive. Presence is really the antidote to all the distractions we have in life. So please make yourself comfortable and enjoy the session. Gradually fill up your lungs. Inhale deeply into your lower belly and transition into the ribcage and chest, like a wave-like motion. Deeply in through the nose, belly, ribcage, chest, and letting go. Let the air escape through the mouth and follow up with the next deep inhale. Fully in and letting go. Don't rush, gradually increase your breathing depth. Feel the limitations and try to open up some space by relaxing your body and gradually expand your belly and chest to all sides. Now take your last full inhale, fully in, let go, and hold your breath. As you hold your breath, dive deep into your consciousness. What is here right now that you've been too busy to feel? Just this dot of awareness. Nothing is missing. Enjoy the stillness and notice something in you is aware of this stillness. Quiet, awake, effortless. Who is it that notices? Look for the one who is looking. Now take a deep inhale and hold. Take in everything you feel. And let go. Continue with the deep breathing, deeply into your belly, ribcage and chest, and let it go. A wave-like motion, deeply in and letting go. Now take your last full inhale. Fully in, let go, and hold your breath. As you dive deep into your consciousness, remind yourself who is the watcher of all the sensations you feel. Rest there again, just behind the thoughts and emotions that arise and pass. Thoughts will drift through, worries, plans, old stories. Let them pass like weather. If you are not your thoughts, then ask, what else have you believed about yourself that was only the weather and not the watcher? Now take a deep inhale and hold again. Feel everything inside of you. Feel the pressure in your chest, all the sensations that arise. And let go. Return to deep breathing. Find your rhythm deeply into the lower belly, ribcage and chest, and let it go through the mouth. Now take your last full inhale, full in, let go, and hold. The open sky is still here inside your consciousness. Now let it fill everything, the whole body, one quiet field of awareness. You are not in this moment, you are this moment. Everything you experience inside your consciousness. This exact moment happens once in your entire life, and you are fully here for it. Rest here. Take it in. Nothing to add, nothing to remove. Now take a deep inhale and hold. Be present. Be aware.
let go.
Come back to a regular breathing pattern.
Every moment in your life happens exactly once, and never again in the same way. This hour of your life just happened once, and you were actually here for it. You experienced it fully. Most hours pass without us. We're in the next task, the old conversation, the imagined future. So here is something to sit with. Think of the people you will see today. If you met each of them as if for the first and last time, how would you look at them? What would you notice? What would they notice if you were fully there? Presence is not a technique. It's a way of loving your life while it's still happening. This breathing ritual didn't create it. It only set the state to cultivate it. Only showed you where to look. Now take one more easy breath. Feel the room around you. And when you're ready, open your eyes. One time, one moment. Get aware.
I hope you enjoyed this session. Keep practicing and see you next time. Bye.